The reason nobody takes you seriously right now is not because you are not good enough. It is because you are sending signals every single day that tell people to ignore you. And the worst part, you do not even know you're doing it. But once you fix this, just one time, people will look at you like you are a completely different person. Some will want to be around you more. Others will respect you in ways they never did before. And some will actually get uncomfortable watching you change. That is how you know it's working. 1. Stop being easy to figure out. Your brain puts people in boxes: safe box, boring box, pushover box. And if you've been the same person for years, always saying yes, always helping everyone, never disagreeing with anyone, guess what box you're in? The invisible one. Here's what you do. Do something that makes people pause. If you're always quiet, speak up. If you always say yes, say, I can't do that today. If you never disagree, pick something small and say, actually, I see it differently. Watch their faces change. Their brains will short circuit. And just like that, you went from invisible to interesting. 2. Act like your time matters. People don't respect your time because you act like you have nothing better to do. You answer texts immediately. You drop everything the moment someone calls. You show up early and wait around like you have nowhere else to be. Stop it. When someone calls your name, don't jump. Finish what you're doing first, then look over. When you walk into a room, don't look around hoping someone notices you. Walk like you already belong there. When someone texts you, it's okay to wait before replying. You're not being rude. You're showing people that your time has value. And when you treat your time like it matters, other people will too. 3. Stop apologizing for existing. You say sorry when you walk past someone, sorry when you ask a question, sorry when you have an opinion. Every unnecessary sorry you say is telling the room, I don't belong here, please don't be mad at me. Stop it completely. Instead of sorry I'm late, say thank you for waiting. Instead of sorry to bother you, say hey, got a minute? Instead of sorry but I think, just say I think. Try it once, just once. Watch how differently people speak to you when you stop acting like your presence is an inconvenience. 4. Learn the power of silence. Most people are so uncomfortable with silence, they'll say anything to fill it. They ramble, they over-explain, they sound desperate. Don't be that person. Next time someone asks you something, count to 2 before you answer. Don't rush, don't panic, just let them wait for your words. Here's why this works. When you talk too fast, you sound like you need their approval. When you take your time, you sound like you are the one giving it. Big difference. 5. Be ready to walk away. The person who needs something the least gets treated the best. Think about it. Who gets more respect? Someone begging to keep their job or someone who knows they're good enough to work anywhere? Next time someone treats you badly, don't argue. Don't try to convince them to be nicer. Just walk away. Leave the conversation, leave the room, leave the situation entirely. This one move shocks people more than anything else you could say because they assumed you'd just take it. The second you show them you won't, everything changes permanently. You can't wait around hoping people will start respecting you. You have to show them who you are by how you act. Stop being predictable. Stop apologizing for breathing. Take your time when you speak. Show them your time has value, and be ready to walk away from anyone who doesn't treat you right. Do just one of these things today. 1. And watch how fast the people around you start acting differently. You didn't become a new person. You just finally stopped hiding the one you always were. Hit the like button if this hit different. Subscribe because next week gets even better than this. See you there.